Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name's Save with Crypto. This is my channel here. Please do make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. I do good stuff here. I am also appearing today on the Stonksy Indicator channel. I'll be there at 1 o'clock UK time, so that's midday UTC. And then later on today, I'm going to be doing a live stream here. That's in 5 hours time, so it's 4:30 UK time, so that'd be 3:30 PM UTC. Okay, I'll be here with Maf the coder. Maf is the coder who's helped me develop Quadzilla, which is an amazing indicator that we've got here at Save with Crypto. That at the moment, the next 30 or so people can get it for free. You will have to sign up to an exchange and you will have to do some trading. But if you do that, then you can get it for free. If you're interested in that, go to savewithcrypto.org/QZ. And if you want to see it in action, do come along to the live stream this afternoon when we'll be looking at some live charts, maybe doing some live trading. And yeah, it's going to be good. So amongst the things we're going to look at are Bitcoin, Solana and CRO, Crypto.com's coin. Now, I have been looking at Crypto.com quite a lot over the last few days. And I'll talk about that in a moment. First of all, I was just going to say that none of this, what I'm talking about in this video, is financial advice. But sometimes I really wish that I'd followed my own advice, because the other week I was talking about me selling my EGLD, and I was looking at it when the price was, it was about upper $15. It was about here. I think it was about $15.60 or something like that. And I actually bottled it. I didn't sell. I cancelled my order to sell, and I just thought I'd sit on the fence for a little while and just see what the price did. And what did the price do? The price came down. The price came down like about 11%. That's rubbish, isn't it? Anyway, what my plan was at that point was to buy some Weex token. This is WXT. And why on earth I didn't do that, I don't know, because it was around about here, wasn't it? And then the price has gone up 9%. So I kind of lost that there, and I'm still bag holding the EGLD. Anyway, I will decide what to do with that later. Please let me know if you've got any good ideas, because I feel like I've missed this week's token one there, but I don't know. If you do want to get some Weex, by the way, I have got an affiliate link that will get you something nice. So you need to go to savewithcrypto.org/Weex. That's WEEX. So if you go to savewithcrypto.org/Weex, you'll arrive at this page here, and you can see that I've arranged this 20% deposit bonus for you as well. So let's look at this in a bit more detail. Okay, so there's actually 3 different kind of events here. The first one, you basically create an account, and then you link your phone number and email to it. So it's not like full KYC, but you do need to provide a phone number. And they'll give you a coupon for somewhere between 10 and 100 USDT for just doing that, which is brilliant, isn't it? And then when you deposit, if you deposit $100, then you get a futures bonus of $20, and that goes up to $10,000 when you get a $2,000 futures bonus. Now, you are required to trade with a certain trading volume there, but it's really small. Like the $100 one is just 10K, and that is literally like just half a dozen trades with a few $100, and then you'll easily achieve that with no effort at all, really. And the third event is for the larger traders. So if your trading volume is more than 10 million, which I have achieved quite often, I'll never trade with more than, say, like $10,000. But if you achieve over 10 million, then you'll get a futures bonus of 1,000. That goes up to 8,900 if you achieve a trading volume of 400 million. But that is quite a lot. That is the sort of levels that people like that Martini guy do, So it's there if you want it. But, as I say, you get $10 to $100 for just making an account and linking your phone and email. So that's money for nothing, and looks like a pretty good exchange. I'm going to be doing a bit more trading on this anyway, because I think it's worthwhile looking at a few different exchanges anyway. And I'm actually interested in getting the Weex token, the WXT token. And this is obviously the best place to do it here at Weex. So yeah, if you fancy some free money, get over to savewithcrypto.org/Weex. Anyway, talking of exchange tokens, let's have a quick look at Kronos, or CRO as it's called. I'm looking at the chart here on the crypto chart, the trading view chart that goes back since the beginning of time. And you can see here that the important levels are around about there, sort of there, and not a lot in between really. And then above that, up here at 46 cents, and then up here at like 68. So I suppose it comes as no great surprise that when we shot up the other week, that's exactly what we did. We went up to this level and then came back a little bit. So for the next price, I would expect anything between 20.3 cents and about 34.4. Now, if we come down to something like the 1 hour time frame and put on our indicator, Quadzilla, we can see here that these moving averages, the yellow 21 and the green 55, are getting pretty close. Now, if they cross bullish, so the yellow goes above the green, I think the price will go back up. Now, what's also making me think that as well is if we look at it on the 4 hour time frame, we've got this rather beautiful green background here, which normally signifies a bottom, and this one was a pretty good thick one as well. We did have a few of these trend shield triangles here. That means that although it looks like the price should reverse, it's still going down, so hang on a minute. And that was a good call really, but then we did shoot up there. So for now, I'll be keeping Quadzilla on, and I'll be looking for this cross here of the yellow and green EMAs, and maybe the momentum starting to shift up here. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. This is my main trade at the moment, is a CRO trade that I'm actually doing on Blofin. If you want to use Blofin, go to savewithcrypto.org/Blofin, and I've got amazing sign-up bonuses for you there as well, so do take advantage of that. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for the time being, because I need to get off and get ready for the Stonksy stream. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do make sure you give it a great big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. See you on the Stonksy show at 1 PM UK time, and later on at our live stream at 4:30 PM UK time this afternoon, and I'll be there with Math. All right, okay, right, take care and see you soon. Oh, and above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you cannot find someone to do your own research, you must do it yourself, just like I did not.